You know those moments when you find a little extra cash in your pocket? Raiz is built on that same idea, but for investing. It's a micro-investing platform designed to make it simple to save and grow your money, even if it's just a few cents at a time. The app is best known for its roundups feature, which rounds up your everyday purchases and invests the spare change. But Raiz is more than just roundups. It offers a range of portfolios and a dedicated superannuation product, making it a comprehensive tool for building your financial future. Let's start with the portfolios. A portfolio is a mix of investments, and Raiz gives you a few different options to choose from. The main ones are their standard portfolios, which are built to suit different risk levels. You can pick from conservative, moderate, moderately aggressive, and aggressive. Each of these is a diversified mix of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, which are basically like a basket of stocks or other assets. Raiz also offers some more specific portfolios. The Emerald portfolio is for socially responsible investing, the Sapphire portfolio has a portion allocated to Bitcoin, and the Property portfolio gives you exposure to Australian residential property. For those who want more control, there's the Plus portfolio. This one lets you build your own custom mix using a selection of ETFs, Australian stocks, Bitcoin, and the Raiz Property Fund. Now, let's talk about Raiz Invest Super. This is a big one. It's Raiz superannuation product, giving you the same easy-to-use app experience for your retirement savings. The way it works is simple. You can roll over your existing superannuation into your Raiz Invest Super account. You can also have your employer contributions paid directly into it, and even make your own voluntary contributions. The key benefit is that it makes your superannuation feel more accessible and visible. You can see your balance growing in the same app where you manage your other investments. Just like with the standard investment portfolios, Raiz Invest Super offers a range of investment options to suit your risk profile, and even has a customizable Plus portfolio for your super. It also has features like Raiz Rewards, which lets you add to your super while you shop online with their partners. Raiz's entire philosophy is about making investing and saving simple and accessible. Whether you're a complete beginner looking to get started with your spare change or you're ready to take control of your superannuation, Raiz provides the tools to help you on your financial journey.